We are in the shadow of the Wallace Monument today. But importantly, we find ourselves at Bridge of Allan by Stirling. And we're going to a classic car show today. Welcome to Stirling and District Classic Car Club. The show has a great selection of vehicles today, which we'll have a look at, including emergency service vehicles and quite a bit of militaria. It's a great day out for all the family, and the good news is the weather's turned out, well, just fine today actually. There's plenty to see and the detail is absolutely amazing. So what can you expect to see today? Well, there's trucks, trannies and tractors. There you go, bag yourself a bargain. A Fergie from 1950 for, well, 3 bags of sand. This has to be the hottest ticket in town. How to park your Mini in your caravan. The Stirling and District Classic Car Club was formed in 2000 by local enthusiasts. There's no restriction on membership, and if you enjoy cars, you're welcome to go along irrespective of what you own. The club hold regular meetings, some with speakers, and they attend other classic car shows. This was very good from J&J Bicycles of Falkirk. So, what can we see? Bikes, push bikes, motorbikes and pickups. The Stirling and District Classic Car Club show actually originated way back in 2004. It's become very popular over the years and increased in size, so I'd like to thank Jeff Marr and his team for putting on a great show today. Well stewarded and well attended, and good weather was in order, and that's arrived as well. Over the years the club has raised over £95,000 for local charities. So there's some Teds on buses, there's some Moggies. All in all, it's a fun, friendly, family atmosphere. I'm going to park it for now.
Hello everybody, hiya, toot toot, beep beep. Join us next time out at the Stirling and District Classic Car Club show when I'll be taking you on a grand tour. So remember to subscribe to SLR.tv for that, and I'll catch you next time. Toot toot, beep beep, see ya.